In this video, I will give you a complete review of Joint Restore Gummies. Click the link in the description below to grab your Joint Restore Gummies today. So let's get started in this video. How do these gummies work for everyone? The two main pain-relieving ingredients are blended to make Joint Restore Gummies effective for all humans in relieving pain and reducing inflammation in joints. Joint Restore Gummies ingredients start working by eliminating the 5-lipoxygenase enzyme. The chemical formed from this enzyme is leukotrienes, which is responsible for inflammation and pain. It can cause asthma, cough, cartilage loss, and neck and shoulder pain. On the other hand, these ingredients activate COX-2 inhibitors that have the ability to treat any kind of pain and inflammation in arthritis. The ingredient boswellia found in Joint Restore Gummies is a scientifically proven component to rebuild lost cartilage by alleviating pain from knee and elbow joints. The other element of Joint Restore Gummies is CBD, mainly used in painkillers to overcome any kind of pain or inflammation in the body. Ingredients. All the ingredients of this supplement are natural. Each gummy has 20 mg full spectrum of CBD extract, 200 mg of beta-boswellic acid, and organic sugar of 3 mg. The taste of Joint Restore Gummies is not bitter like other medicines. It is 100% free of dairy, GMO, gluten, pesticides, and non-habit formula. Also, these gummies do not have any side effects, as backed by Joint Restore Gummies reviews and clinical tests. Who should use it? All men and women who are above 18 years old can use it. Those under 18 years old must avoid it because they don't have a strong digestive tract to break down these gummies. People above 60 or 70 can use it without restriction, which works the same as for younger people, but the final result and complete recovery from pain and inflammation in knee joints take time. Joint Restore Gummies is also effective for athletes and other runners whose joints and muscles get damaged due to heavy workouts and load, so they can use these gummies to reduce stress around their muscle and recover from damage. Joint Restore Gummies have the following benefits. Number 1, after using it for a few weeks, you can eliminate knee pain and enhance knee joint mobility. Number 2, it contains CBD from hemp oil, which is free from THC components. Number 3, these Joint Restore Gummies come in chewable form, which is liked by many people. Number 4, these gummies have a berry taste compared to other painkillers, which are bitter. Number 5, these gummies have anti-inflammatory abilities to reduce pain and inflammation in the stomach. Number 6, it also supports brain function by increasing memory. Number 7, the price is affordable as compared to other medical treatments or knee surgery. Number 8, the company also gives 60 days to their customers to test this supplement. Number 9, every gummy contains various nutrients needed to circulate nutrient-rich blood flow to the body's organs. Joint Restore Gummies are the best remedy for your knee pain. It also reestablishes damaged tissue like cartilage between the knee joint and bone to improve flexibility. The main advantage of Joint Restore Gummies is that it works for the body without any side effects, because these pain-relieving gummies only contain 2 main ingredients and other essential nutrients. After using these pills, you don't need to go to the doctor or eat other bitter-tasting medicine. Numerous reviews on the official website and social media platforms recommend these gummies. If you want to buy it, click on the below link in description that takes you to the official website of Prosper Wellness. You will find Joint Restore Gummies. Thank you for watching this video.